Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 146. I'm in UCLA, California right now. UCLA, California. I'm in UCLA school right now in California by Beverly Hills, Westwood. I am right here. I don't know if you can see me better now. Yep. Much better, okay. Hey guys, so I am right now heading to fix an iPhone 6 Plus White. Today is September 8th. I just left a little event of a colleague, a YouTuber, and his call just came, so I was like, perfect. So he's right around the corner, and so I was able to do that and take care of it. So right now we are walking that way. She said he was right across, but I don't know. We'll see. It's supposed to be right here, so we'll see how it goes. And once we find our customer, we'll be back to show you how it goes down. So stay tuned. Be right back. That was her phone. Say hi. Get heard. Hey guys, we just saw that. We just finished that phone. We are right now walking back to our car. We parked at a kind of a illegal parking. It's supposed to be for loading only, but because it's past midnight now, it's 1 in the morning, almost 12:59. We were able to park without any headaches or anything, so it's cool. Now I'm driving home. I'm gonna go home and get some sleep. I had a long day. Been up since like early morning. I had to change my oil, stuff, etc. So I'm gonna go to bed, and that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 146, and we'll see you in vlog 147. Meantime, have a beautiful night and a great weekend. I'm out. Peace. That's a wrap.